Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So what you all, hope you're all fine. Today we will see in this video beautiful and stylish. We will see in this videos creative landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs, beautiful pebble stones landscaping ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos, and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. So viewers, these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Marvelous and stylish and trending landscaping ideas. Watch my full videos, share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. You will see all addictive and trending modern garden decorations ideas. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos. Top addictive and trending stylish landscaping designs. So guys, I will suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Watch my full videos and share my videos. Enjoy all creative and trending landscaping ideas, home decoration designs in 2025. I'll be trying to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. So viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friend, you will see your stylish landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Watch my full videos and enjoy more stylish and trending beautiful home decorations ideas. So take care.